Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, as you can see in the title, we are going to talk about halal consumerism and its future perspective.
The halal ecosystem encompasses all economic interaction related to halal consumption and production. Nowadays, the halal industry has piqued the interest of both Muslim and non-Muslim all over the world. In fact, the demand for halal is not limited only to food and beverages. Consumers also want halal in their tourism, media, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and also entertainment. Halal consumerism, in fact, is part of halal ecosystem. So in this video, we will look at what is meant by halal consumerism. Is halal consumerism right in our religion? And is halal consumerism is the same one as conventional consumerism? So we will find about it later. Following that, we will also discuss about the future perspective of halal consumerism. In the future, is halal consumerism is going to expand and grow, or it will be reduced and weakened? So this future perspective is important because it will allow us to see what likely to happen in the future.
Alright, as we know, consumerism is important in the Islamic system of life because we, as a human, we are the main object in consumerism activities. So, all forms of expenditure must be managed and planned as best as we can, be it in terms of financial management, organization or country. So, as we know, halal matters have flourished in Malaysian society and it has been made part of the government authorities in Malaysia. According to a fellow at the Center of Economics and Social Studies, Institute of Islamic Understanding Malaysia, IKIM, in halal consumerism, as a Muslims, besides they need to know their rights, they also must ensure that their consumption is in line with the values promoted by Islam. Many Muslim consumers nowadays fail to internalize the true concept of halal in matters of food, fashion, as well as lifestyle. If consumerism is not based on the divine teachings, it can lead to environmental degradation and also ecological imbalance. In fact, this concept of halal consumerism should be seen from a broader perspective. The integration of Islamic characteristics in Muslims' consumption behavior will contribute to the development of halal ecosystem because it will affect the manufacturers as well as their service providers in order to act according to the market conditions.
For halal consumerism future perspective, we expect that continued growth of the global Muslim population. According to the data, we can see that Muslim population are keep increasing year by year. From the data, we expect that we can gain high profit in 2028. Therefore, we must increase awareness and understanding of halal standards among Muslims.
If everyone is become more aware about the use of halal logo and halal standards, it will help the growth of global halal market in the future.
For suggestion in halal consumerism future perspective, we hope the rise of digital platform for halal products and service because we can see digital marketing contribute highly in business performance from the data.
To conclude, halal consumerism played a huge role in explaining people's intention to make decisions in their purchasing. Halal consumerism nowadays not only attract Muslims but also non-Muslims and non-Muslims countries. Many consumers believe that by practicing halal consumerism could give a good impact not only to them but also to society and environment. Consumers also believe that by purchasing halal goods and products, it can't be doubt about its safety, cleanliness, and the well-being of all living creatures. Hence, Muslims also play a role in keep spreading halal awareness as well as halal consumerism. That's all from us. Thank you.